Happy New Year from Miami Beach, Florida, United States of America. And I am enjoying the beautiful sunrise today here in, in Miami. It is 7:37 right now, but I have been here since 15 minutes back and enjoying the beautiful sunrise that you have seen in the intro of this video. And yeah, I slept only for about 6 hours, as on this very same spot yesterday there was fireworks that I have enjoyed to celebrate the coming of the new year 2025. Yes, it is 1st of January 2025 and Beach Adventures with Chris. We are in the United States of America, and more specifically in Miami Beach. I'm gonna be first for 2 nights before I go on a cruise to the Caribbean. So at the intro of this video you have seen as I walk from my hotel, Dorchester Hotel and Suites. It's an apartment hotel very close to the beach, and it has also a pool but also access to the sunbeds here on this beach. And this is actually part of South Beach, that is, but obviously the city is called Miami Beach, to be not confused with Miami downtown, that is separate. And here we're gonna have a bit more sun in few seconds, as I see some of the buildings there are covered with sun. And yeah, that's how beautiful the sunrise is in Miami. And today I'm gonna be exploring here along the beach, enjoying it, of course, and have a wonderful time before I head off to the Caribbean state soon. Currently it is 21 degrees Celsius in the air, and in the sea it was yesterday around 23 degrees Celsius, as I have seen on the satellite measurement. Let's just double check how much is it. Today it says it is 24.9, so that's a bit warmer than usual, but yeah, you can see how beautiful the beach is actually. And let's get going with a swim in the Caribbean Sea, that is. That's right. And yes, so from Miami you can take a cruise to many different routes in the Caribbean. I will be visiting 5 islands on the 9-night cruise. So yeah, cool. So looking forward to this sunrise swim in Miami Beach, as the sun is now a bit more up, and looking forward to the sunset, but the sunset is going to be on the other side, so as it is facing east, as we are on the east coast, so the sunrise is more beautiful here than the sunset, obviously. So let's get going with the swim at the Caribbean Sea in Miami Beach on this 1st of January 2025, the first swim of the year, and I'm doing it abroad and not in Sweden. So let's go. Oh, that was amazing. That was amazing indeed. What a perfect way to start the year, with a morning swim at Miami Beach, South Beach more specifically. Lots of big buildings around and resorts here. And yep, it is my second time in Miami Beach. I was here in 2019, that I have already explained to you in the previous episode yesterday when I took the night swim So this is my second swim here for this adventure. And today I'm full day in Miami. Tomorrow I'm only half day, at, at least until 1 p.m. before I need to board on the cruise ship and start the cruise journey. Cool, so that's a wrap from this first episode from today, 1st of January, from Miami Beach, from South Beach more specifically. Thank you so much for watching this episode, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!